Hello everyone, this is Vio-là. The leadership change in Britain has gained a lot of attention recently since it changes president every 5 minutes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Andy.
Me? I'm Jeff.
Andy.
Andrew.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
You are the local candidate, are you?
Oh, no. I was a local candidate. I had a by-election a few weeks ago, but no, I'm now the Prime Minister.
You what?
He's the Prime Minister.
What, a new one?
Another one.
But I keep changing every time.
I know.
If a president and other leaders must be qualified by providing several years of public service instead of practices of astonishing speech and personal showing off, if they look less gorgeous and more like an ordinary worker or farmer, will you be more or less confident of the government? Let's see how China is working on this and how different the Chinese official leaders are. There are solid rules of promotion in the Chinese government. One is that you must have at least 5 years working experience and 2 years of grassroots level work experience to be the leader of a county or department. And each time of promotion needs another 2 years or more grassroots work experience. The grassroots work experience refers to the working in county, village or town, or neighborhood committee which needs to deal with residents' affairs every day, such as collecting advice, mediating conflicts in the neighborhood, or helping Nana find her cat. It is a compulsory course for the Chinese leaders, not optional. Young officials are encouraged to exchange positions between central department and grassroots level. Those who work at grassroots level will be the priority to be promoted. And there is certain incentive mechanism such as 20% more salary or other cash subsidies. There is no exemption. If someone does not have the grassroots work experience, then he or she will hardly become a leader in Chinese government. In addition to the promotion system, the governing idea of Chinese government focuses on ordinary people rather than bourgeois. In the early years, the communities need to go to poor and rural area or real factory to work and live with those workers and residents in order to learn about what are their most concerned problems as well as the most suitable solution for specific tasks in specific circumstances. The length of working and living with workers and residents usually lasts for years, long enough for the communists who would become the official leaders to literally see and listen to ordinary people's real lives. It is not a political show just to gain tickets or win any election because we only have one party. Effectiveness might be one of the advantages of sole party system. This regulation ensured the mass line from construction stage of PRC, including lawmaking and political culture formation. In the present, we had worked out a major series of government working regulations, which is playing the role as guiding ideology in real work. There are 4 regulations. Dissemination of politics should be at primal level. Social investigation should be at primal level. Site office should be at prime level. And letters and visits against administrative issues should be set at primal level. By these regulations, leaders know more about ordinary and different people. Further, they know more about how to cooperate with people to implement policies effectively, avoiding bias and stereotypes regarding the mass to a large extent. Therefore, the Chinese government is able to make right decisions in most of the cases and pay attention to problem solving instead of point scoring. It is not only about the Communist Party, it is about how a country, or more accurately, a civilization works for thousands of years. I can say one thing that the Chinese government is pioneering is to continuously do the difficult but right things. Its long-termism definitely has costs, such as general imbalance of work and life. But you can see China's development and people's living standard improvement by your own eyes. China has long been criticized as lack of democracy. However, from the perspective of Chinese people, when the decision-making by government is largely dealing with those problems in real life, in day-to-day life, does the ticket still matter? I think democracy does not equal election, or how many parties you get to choose, or what did the president promise in his or her speech, or has conversation with you face to face once in your lifetime. It is about whether ordinary people can literally be seen and heard, and whether political decisions are dealing with their urgent and concerned problems.